How to fix Epic Games Launcher IS-0009, manifest not loading error. This error occurs when the launcher is unable to download a game due to a corrupt or invalid file. Manually uninstalling and reinstalling the game. If you remove and reinstall the game by removing its folder from your system and downloading it again, this may resolve the issue. 1. Exit the Epic Games Launcher by right-clicking on the system tray icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and clicking on Exit. 2. Navigate to the directory you installed the game in question. The default installation directory for your games is c:\program files\Epic Games. 3. Select the game folder that is having this error appear. 4. Delete the selected game folder. Restart the Epic Games Launcher. 6. Try installing the game again.